Hello and welcome to another update on FET. The FETCH.AI chart is starting to move up a little bit. Nothing major yet, but we want to take a look at the long-term chart first, then we take a look at the shorter time frame. Here on the larger time frame chart, you can see that we're still watching for this corrective rally basically to unfold, and we could still be stuck in the initial A wave to the upside. Then there could be a B wave pullback and a C wave rally, or a larger A wave, then a B wave down and a C wave up. That's sort of the roadmap to round about $6.20 plus. $6.20, still sort of an ideal target for the next move up. We discussed it many times. What I just wanted to make sure is that everybody understands that there is a good chance here for one more high in this A wave. That would be preferable or preferred because with a 5-wave move up, we get some clarity. We get a good indication of where the trend wants to go, which would be up, obviously. But yeah, with only 3 waves up, the situation is always a little bit more tricky, not as clear. And yeah, I mean, we probably won't have the luxury of working here with 5-wave movements in the near future. The exception might be the odd 5-wave move on the nano level on the smaller time frame. For example, in the form of an A wave, which would then result in a B wave pullback and so on. Yeah. So let's go back to the shorter time frame again here. So if we zoom out a little bit, you see what I mean, that there is a potential here for 5 waves up. 1, 2 already done. Wave 3 done, was long enough. 4th wave, it's a 3-wave pullback into wave 4 Fibonacci support. We had a reaction to the level here at 64 cents. That's one of the key Fibonacci levels for a wave 4. We talked about that in previous videos. We had upper support for the white count for a wave 4 pullback, and lower support, which would be kind of the plan B, backup plan in case upper support breaks. But the price has found support after a 3-wave move down and starts to move up nicely now. So the question would be, okay, how would we now label that 5th wave up if it really unfolds? So if we really are in this 5-wave move up that I just explained to you, then this 5th wave is likely unfolding as an ABC structure. You see it on the chart here. The reason is that the whole move up seems to be a diagonal pattern anyway. Like the move up in white wave 1 is clearly an ABC structure. So the wave 5 would also have to be an ABC structure. And at least best I can tell, yeah. And it is possible we have the A wave that topped. And again, that was also a 3-wave move, which kind of aligns with my view that we're just dealing here with corrective rallies from the 6th of May low. So rally, pullback in 3 waves, held a higher low, and now we need a break above the Wednesday high that formed here around 71.5 cents for further evidence that the bulls are motivated to drive the price higher. This is the next resistance area between 74.5 cents and 80 cents. This is where wave C of circle wave A could land. Then another B wave pullback and a C wave rally from there would be ideal. And we have a large A, B, C pattern that might drive the price higher. So yeah, overall here, 74.5 to 80 cents is an ideal target just for this internal C wave. And currently there is a good chance that we're pushing higher here in this 5th wave, but the last swing low must hold to keep that upside pressure alive at 65.5 cents or 65 cents. That's important. That needs to hold. Against that level, the focus could be on higher prices. And once this C wave is in, I can add support for that B wave pullback. Now the risk is, because all of this looks corrective, that we're just dealing with a B wave rally. And if we cannot hold support for circle wave B, or if we break below that last swing low here at 65.5 cents already now, then I would see the yellow scenario is leading. Until then, I'm going to give the white scenario a chance. So that's the update on FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.